All right, this is a really interesting question. What do you think auto repair businesses should stop doing now? What should they stop doing?
Stop doing everything just because that's the way it's always been done, I guess.
Yeah, okay.
So that's the way. That's the way that we do it. That's the way that we've always done it. If it's not broke, don't fix it.
Stop being open to change?
Yeah, and I guess it's also a little bit of a start question. Is start questioning why you've done it that way, or what makes sense. What's the value of doing it that particular way? If something's not adding value to the business, question why do we do it? How can I turn this into a positive? What's a better process or a better option? What are the things out there?
It's interesting because I remember a period of time in the work industry, when I was in the industry, you called up for your parts. Then suddenly the parts suppliers started giving you catalogues. So you could look up your catalogue, get your number, and then call for the part. This is the next step.
Yeah, and it makes sense. Just like then, the reason why you hand over the catalogue is because the person on the other end of the phone isn't in front of the car.
Yeah.
They can't see what the part is. If there's two options, there's a two pipe and a 3-pipe water pump. They can't see that. They don't know what you're looking at. And so that becomes a question that they have to ask and you have to answer. And unless you've got a phone right next to the car and you're staring at it, you've got to wander out there and again, more time wasted. Whereas if you've got it on your phone, you're standing next to the car, I can see that's the right one. Yeah. Go and get it now.
Yeah. And to stop doing something, stop doubting yourself. Embrace the change.
Absolutely. The tools are there to help do it and find the right information. It's the exact same catalogs that we use in stores. Stop doubting yourself and doubting that you're not the expert. I mean, you do the work on the car.
Yeah.
The part's the easy part.
Pardon the pun, of course.
And that's that's the simple part, isn't it?
New and existing users of Repco's Navigator Pro. There's always going to be tips and tricks for the people who have used it for a long time and a short time. Give us some gold.